What's up everybody? Welcome back to Edible Fitness. Food time! I'm hungry and I'm gonna show you how to make a very turkey and cauliflower meal. It's like 15 minutes. Let's do this. First thing you want to do is cut your cauliflower. I bought a large cauliflower head, so I'm going to use half of that and cut that into small florets. At the same time, I'm also going to prepare my black beans, so open up the can, drain them, wash them, set them aside. And while we're here, we might as well prepare the minced turkey. All right, now that we've got that done, let's go over to the skillet. All right, so I've got my skillet. The heat is on a medium high. And instead of olive oil, I'm using sesame oil for a little bit more flavor, a little nuttiness going on. Woo! Once the sesame oil has heated up, I'm going to add in the cauliflower. So here's the great bit. I'm actually going to brown the cauliflower. Not too much, don't burn the whole thing, just calm yourself, but just a little bit. Here's a couple of things you might not have known about cauliflower. So did you know this? Cauliflower belongs to the Brassica oleracea family, which includes things like kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Did you know you can also get orange and purple cauliflower? Crazy. And get this, a single floret contains 10% of your daily vitamin C needs. After a certain stage, farmers will begin to shield the cauliflower because the sun will turn them a golden yellow. Cauliflower is not only high in fiber, but also contains vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin B6, folate, potassium, and phosphorus. Okay, let's get back to the recipe. All right, that is looking very tasty. So we're going to remove the cauliflower, take it off of the heat, and put it on a plate, set it aside for a couple of minutes because now we're gonna add in our turkey. 4 more very simple ingredients to the turkey. I'm also gonna add a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and half a can of black beans. You can add more if you want, but I feel like half a can is good enough. Oh, and by the way, I've turned the heat down, so it is not medium high, it's more like a medium right now. But I'm gonna turn it back up now that all the ingredients are in and let the turkey juices do their thing. I did say this was fast, yes? Well, I also said I was hungry. So this is great, you're great, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
We don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough.